Hey guys, so in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at how to add your own custom decal in Unreal Engine 5. So first off, you're going to want to import your PNG or JPEG into Unreal Engine. As you can see, we've got this one here. And then secondly, we're going to want to create the material. So I'm going to call this m_decal for now. And then we'll open this up. Now the first step is to go down to the material domain, and it's currently at surface by default, so we're going to want to change this to the decal. And then because I have a transparent background on my image, I'm going to want to change the blend mode to translucent, which you can see it opens up the opacity map here for us. So next up, we want to drag and drop our image into the blueprint, and we want to connect the RGB to the base color. Now secondly, we're currently not accessing this opacity channel, so we're simply going to drag the alpha to the opacity and hit save. Now all we have to do is simply drag and drop our decal into the level. Now as you can see here, this arrow is where the decal is going to attach to, so I'm simply going to want to rotate this to place it on this wall, and let's make it a bit smaller here, like so. Now what you might find is if you have a big box like this and your wall is very thin, it will show on both sides. Now to counteract that, you can simply make this box, this green box, thinner than the wall. And that is it guys, that is how you get your custom decal in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.